These values fuel our collective pursuit of equitable development. This milestone reaffirms a fundamental truth. Progress is never the work of one. It is the result of diverse sectors moving as one, aligned in purpose, determined in execution. The goal is simple: less red tape, more action, more results, more success, more quickly. We want investments to come in, projects to break ground faster, jobs to reach our people sooner. Because when businesses move quickly, progress follows just as fast. Hindi po magiging buo ang tagumpay ng ating mga reforma kung wala ang taus-pusong suporta ng mga lokal na pamahalaan. Sila po ang ating mga kaagapay sa pagtutok at pagpapadali ng pagninegosyo sa ating bansa.